Hey, what's up? It is April 29th. It is Thursday. Today we are going to do a different type of video from what I usually do. Today we're going to talk about Mederma. So I got this product because the day before my birthday, I ended up in the ER and received 6 to 7 stitches for a injury that was caused by a glass. Yes, by a glass, folks. That day was very, very cold, and the night before it was frigid, like super cold. So my windows actually froze. So I went to actually lift my window. I have like those double thin windows, and when I went to lift it, it was so stuck that when I lifted it real hard, the glass shattered and caused me to have this injury. So ugly. So anyway, so I'm very grateful because it could have been worse. It missed me by this much, missed my vein by that much. So anyway, went to the ER. It was in the evening. Obviously, I was there until my birthday. Got to the ER around 10 o'clock and left the ER around 12 something. Can't remember. I know it was after midnight, a little past midnight. And they gave me 6 to 7 inches, 6 to 7. They gave me 6 to 7 stitches, and it was very painful. I will post some pictures so you can see. For those that have a good stomach, you hope it doesn't frighten you. It's very disgusting and not very good for the eye. But anyways, a couple of days after I received the stitches, the area where I had the injury was starting to hurt me, and I don't know, it just didn't feel right. So I ended up going to the urgent care, and they told me that I had an infection and needed to take antibiotics, which she found it odd that they did not prescribe me antibiotics when I was in the ER. Very strange. But anyhow, they gave me antibiotics for 7 to 10 days, I believe, and I took them. Everything went well. It was kind of painful for a couple of weeks, but then the scar kind of never went away. So we are in April. This happened about 8-9 weeks ago, and yeah. So I'm gonna give this a try and see if this really comes off. I've had surgery before, and I have never, ever experienced keloids, but we shall see. It does say to use this for new scars for 8 weeks, and if you're gonna use it for an old scar, you have to use it for 3 to 4 months, and it's once a day. So I'm gonna do videos. I think I could give you guys updates on a bi-weekly basis, or maybe I'll do every 2 to 3 weeks, just to kind of pencil back with you guys as treatment. How is treatment working or not? Is this false? Is this false advertisement, or is it really facts? Hopefully this works. So I know this video is very different from what I normally do, but just to kind of twist things a little bit, decided to do this little video. You never know, there's someone out there that's trying to try that product. Folks, MEDERMA is super expensive. I want to say I paid, let me see something, because I ordered it online. I paid, sorry guys, I paid, I tell you right now, I paid like $18.99, like $20 for it. It was about, yeah, about $20, $18.99. And I got it at Walgreens. So stay tuned. Thank you for always watching me. Please subscribe. Feel free to like. Feel free to make a comment. If you guys want to make a suggestion as far as what you would like for me to do, what kind of videos you would like to see me doing, and to follow my videos, make sure to click that notification bell right in the side of this video. And again, thank you folks for watching, and stay safe. Thank you.